On the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Uh-oh. They're swinging already. Oh, no! Those beers are swinging. So, Tina got it all over her face. I mean, she might finish her beer first without even drinking it. Perfect song, Eddie. Gina, you don't swing it out of your face. Come on, Tina's using the tongue out. See if that helps. Put her tongue in the beer. You guys at least gotta drink some. Oh, we got another spill. Oh, I think Tina almost had her hand on it. Almost had her mouth on it. Tina got hit in the face. This is awesome. Come on, ladies. Try to drink some of it.
Looks like you're bobbing for an apple.
Tina's only got one little sip left in her cup over there anyways. Oh, Tina got her mouth on it. No, oh! We're getting the spectators wet over here. All right. Tina's out. Gina, can you get anything? Can you get it? You got a little bit left in your cup. Come on. It's all up to you. She spilled all of hers. Hey, since you're the last one left here, come here. There you go. Somebody finally got to drink some beer up here. Thank you guys for participating. I appreciate that.